Here's another boondock find. Old cutlass. This would be one heck of a project. Remember, comment, like, and subscribe. Hashtag boondock finds. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you. Hey, welcome to another day. Today's edition of Boondock Finds is a 1940 something. Looks like Chevrolet, could be wrong. Talked to the guy, he said he parked it, it was running. And you hear the car behind me. So anyway, Boondock Find Wednesday edition. Y'all have a blessed day. Remember, comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you. Well, hey there, welcome to another day on the old interweb. Look what we found in today's Boondock Finds. Two old Chevrolet trucks. I don't know what that is. There's another old Chevy. Yeah. We're just finding all kinds of stuff out in the woods today. A couple of square bodies. More vehicles behind. You never know what you're going to find out in the woods. This is crazy. Y'all follow along, comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see y'all later. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Come on with it before you forget it. Oh yeah, all original C20 with dualies. Check it out. With a winch on the front. Y'all comment, like, and subscribe. See y'all later. Oh, Plymouth Valiant. That one don't look like it needs a lot of work. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Y'all comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see y'all later. Have a blessed. That's what you call patinaed out. Yep. Pretty cool. Short bed too. Comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Yo. Awesome. Ford V8. You can get the motor in it. Looky there. Y'all comment, like, subscribe. Just do it. Worry about it later. On today's edition of Boondock Finds, look what we got. Oh yeah. Alright. Y'all have a blessed one. Comment, like, and subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. The things you find driving around. Ain't that cool? Driving around Arkansas and I see what I see. Comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Boondock Finds. Look, it's even got wood wheels. See y'all later. We got a little beetle bus here. This is awesome. It's parked in the mud. Go figure. Look at there, little rainbow curtains on it. Y'all have an awesome day. We'll see you later. I have found more on this trip. That is awesome. Ready to go hot rod. Cool. Yes, sirree. That is freaking awesome right there. Man, yeah. I don't know what year Ford it is, but it's cool. You know, some of these days you just luck up. Look at what we found. 69 Mach 1 Mustang. Oh, I'm sorry, 67 Mach 1 Mustang. And sitting right next to it, '67 GTO. No motor, no interior. Yeah, I tried to buy this one. It's sold. Good gosh almighty. Nice car. Very little rust. Y'all comment, like, subscribe. If you want, Eubanks Auto Sales in Kennett, Missouri. Holler at me. We'll see y'all later. Bye. Old Dodge Wrecker. Looks pretty good. Got one seat. Heck yeah, buddy. Got to get our daily Mustang fix in. This one's sitting off in the weeds. Looks like a Mach 1. Don't know the year. Some of y'all can tell me. Again. Uh-oh. We got another old one sitting way back there. Always. Actually, I think this one's actually being used. Ford F1. Don't know the year. Look at that brand new tire on there. Looks really good. Alrighty. Y'all comment, like, subscribe. Lucas Farm and Fab Shop.